Hey guys, welcome to my discussion on visual analytics using Tableau. So today I'm going to talk about bar graph. So for this example, I'll be taking bar graph in terms of KPI. So what are KPI? KPI are the key performance indicators that we use against certain sales or certain process in a particular project. So these are the target that we set and we can evaluate the actual results against those target. This target can be in terms of discount for a sales process or for any new process against any project that we have undertaken. So let's go forward and create a bar graph using KPI. So what we can do, we can just drag the order date over here in the row column section. And we can see once we drag the column, and we can also drag the customer in the row shelf. You can drag the sales, and you can see the sales for all the 4 years has been populated. Now, when the sales has been populated, for this particular example, I will be using the latest year as a bar graph and the prior year for the KPIs. So let's create a calculated field for the latest year sales. In order to calculate a calculated field, you can just create a calculated field option and you can name it as latest year, and you can use a formula max year order date. You can close this year order date, then it will return sales, else it will return 0. You can end this portion of code, click on OK, and you can see our latest year measure has been created over here. So what we can do, we can just drag this latest year over this section, and we can see the latest year sales will be populated excluding the previous year sales. So let me check it once more. We can drag this latest year sales over here. We can just drag the latest on the sum, sorry, and the latest year sales will be populated. In the same way, let's calculate the prior year sales. So we can just duplicate this formula and we can edit this, change the name of the formula as prior year sales, and you can just do a -1 in order to calculate the prior year sales. Click on OK, and you can drag this prior year sales over here, and you can see how beautifully it has been aligned in terms of customer segment, the latest year and the prior year sales. So in order to convert the latest year sales into a bar graph, what we can do, we can remove these major names from here. You can remove the year. You can also remove the major values from here. And we can bring the latest year sales in the column shelf, and we can see Tableau will convert it into a bar graph. Now, in order to create the KPIs, we can drag this prior year sales over the details, and you can go to the analytics pane and you can select this reference line, and with the help of this reference line we can just create KPIs for each of the years. So for this example, we'll be using the prior year as a KPI. We can also select this line, select the color for this line as black. We can uncheck this box in order to prevent recalculation. You can change this, and you can see the KPIs has been created against the latest sales for 2013. So these are the KPIs that we have created, and we can compare the sales for each of the segment for this against these KPIs. Now, with this example, we can see how we can create a bar graph using KPI and compare the sales for the latest year with the prior year sales. So this was a typical example of a simple bar graph which we can create with the help of KPIs. And we can see how important is KPI in terms of evaluating your sales, whether it's comparing a sales for the latest year with the last year, or comparing the sales of a particular quarter or with the previous quarter. So this was all about bar graph using KPI. Thank you for watching this video, guys.